Hi, my name is Claudio. I'm the coffee specialist from the Nespresso boutique at the Bleicherweg in Zurich. I will show you today how the new Aeroccino 4 is working. So, this is the milk jug. With this milk jug, you can make 4 settings. We have one button to make cold whisk milk. Then the second button is to make hot milk. The third button is to make frothy milk. And the fourth button, with this you can make really frothy milk. Into the jug you have 2 different levels. One level to make the maximum milk froth and one level to make maximum hot milk. We will make now a hot milk froth for the cappuccino. We just put the milk in the jug and press the button. Then it starts to froth the milk. So, after 50 seconds, we have a perfect milk froth to put it in our coffee. So,
my favorite are like dark and
now you have a perfect cappuccino. After that, you can put the whole jug in the dishwasher. How easy is that?